Okay, here we are going to see how to simplify this complex fraction. We have x over x plus 2 minus 3 over 5 and then all over x minus 3. There's one common mistake that I see a lot of students make, so I want to point that out. But before that, you know the deal. Please pause the video and try this first. Done? Alright, let's see. One good strategy to simplify complex fraction is to multiply the top and bottom by the lowest common denominator of the smaller ones. So this and that. So I'm just going to begin by multiplying the top and bottom by 5x plus 2. And then of course we'll also do the same right here. So when we take this, multiply with that, you see the x plus 2 will cancel. So we will have 5x on the top. And I'm going to just write that down right here. And then we have this minus in between. Then we see that when we take this, multiply with this, the 5 will cancel and we will have the 3 and then x plus 2. Alright, so that's the top. And then for the bottom, I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to move the 5 to the front. So we have 5 and then x minus 3 and then x plus 2. Now, this is the place that I have seen a lot of students, including calculus students, that they make mistakes. Notice that on the top we do have this parentheses with the x plus 2, and on the bottom we also have the x plus 2 in the parentheses, right? I have seen so many times that the students will just cancel, and they will just say the answer is 5x minus 3, and then 5 parentheses x minus 3, and they'll just put that. This is not correct. 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 The reason is because of the order of operations. You see how we have negative 3 times this, but there's a 5x at the front. We must distribute it and then combine items first. We must take care of the top and then factor it out as a product of factors before we can cancel things out. So don't do this. This right here will be a sad face. So I'll just say no. A big no with a factorial. No, don't do that. So don't do this. Instead, we are going to do the following. So take this multiply, so we still have the 5x minus the 3x plus 2 over 5x minus 3 and then x plus 2. Take this, distribute it, right? So we get negative 3x and then negative 6. 5x minus 3x, we get 2x and then minus 6. And then we have this denominator again. All right. Now you see the top is all simplifying to this term. And can we reduce this? Well, we have to factor first. And we happen to be able to factor out the 2. So factor out the 2, and then we will have x minus 3 left. And we see that this x minus 3 can be cancelled out with this x minus 3. Because you see the top is the product of factors, right? 2 times this, that's all. Earlier it was negative times this, but there's a 5x at the front waiting for you to combine, right? So the final answer, the correct answer is 2 over 5 parentheses x plus 2. So answer choice B. Alright, so don't ever do this, or just cross this out. No, don't do that. So hopefully this helps, and check out my other videos for more algebra video, of course, right? Just algebra here. Yeah.